Welcome, Mr. President.
Dinginnya salju di Davos langsung terasa panas begitu Presiden Prabowo Subianto naik podium di World Economic Forum, WEF, pada 22 Januari 2026.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Bukan kaleng-kaleng, slay banget. Pak Prabowo nggak cuma sekedar pidato formal, tapi bener-bener flexing kekuatan baru Indonesia di depan para CEO global dan pemimpin dunia.
We will surpass McDonald's. 68 million meals a day.
Kalian penasaran nggak sih apa yang bikin ruangan itu hening seketika terus pecah sama tepuk tangan? Yuk kita kupas tuntas poin-poin savage dari pidato Pak Bowo yang bikin dunia melirik tajam ke arah kita.
Why does this matter to global investors?
1. Hilirisasi is my middle name. Prabowo dengan tegas bilang kalau Indonesia nggak bakal lagi cuma jadi tukang jual tanah air alias kirim barang mentah ke luar negeri. Beliau menegaskan kalau hilirisasi adalah harga mati. Respon dunia, para investor barat awalnya agak panas dingin. Tapi begitu Prabowo nawarin skema kolaborasi yang saling menguntungkan, win-win, mereka langsung antre buat investasi di pabrik baterai EV dan semikonduktor kita.
Indonesia does not fear economic integration. We are a trading nation for hundreds of years. We conclude now trade agreements not because it is fashionable, but we consider it necessary. We believe in the concept of win-win.
2. Swasembada pangan dan energi. Goodbye impor. Ini yang paling gokil. Prabowo memamerkan progres Indonesia menuju kemandirian pangan dan energi lewat biofuel atau B100. Beliau bilang, kami mau kasih makan rakyat kami sendiri dan kami mau pakai energi dari pohon kami sendiri. Sorotan dunia, World Bank mulai ngelirik model ekonomi Indonesia yang dianggap cukup berani di tengah krisis pangan global. Indonesia dipandang bukan lagi negara yang ngemis bantuan, tapi negara yang punya solusi.
We also achieved self-sufficiency in rice. The first time in many years. Our rice production is the highest in the history of Indonesia. I gave a target to be self-sufficient in 4 years. I gave a target to my team. They did it within 1 year. I am convinced in the next 4 years, we will be self-sufficient in the other food products. Corn, sugar, protein.
3. Diplomasi good neighbor policy. Prabowo kembali menegaskan kalau Indonesia adalah sahabat semua negara, tapi nggak mau disetir siapapun. Non-aligned tapi aktif. Beliau mengajak dunia untuk berhenti perang dan fokus ke perubahan iklim. Respon dunia, media internasional kayak Reuters dan Bloomberg langsung nulis headline, Prabowo the new voice of global south. Beliau dianggap jadi jembatan antara barat dan timur.
Peace and stability is a long and arduous program. But if you want to take something from my talk today, maybe it should be this. Indonesia chooses peace over chaos. We want to be a friend to all, an enemy to none.
4. Kemiskinan bukan takdir, tapi PR. Program makan bergizi gratis dan penguatan UMKM juga ikut dibawa ke panggung Davos. Beliau pamer kalau stunting di Indonesia turun drastis dan ekonomi rakyat bawah mulai naik kelas. Sorotan NGO internasional pada geleng-geleng kepala karena Indonesia punya keberanian buat fokus ke human capital secara masif.
You might not have heard this story, but extreme poverty in Indonesia fell to its lowest level in history.
Kenapa kita harus bangga? Ini bukan cuma soal kata-kata manis, tapi soal power. Indonesia nggak lagi duduk di kursi belakang. Di Davos 2026, kita duduk di kursi depan, pegang mic dan nentuin arah ekonomi dunia. Pak Prabowo berhasil nunjukin kalau Indonesia adalah the emerging giant yang udah bangun dari tidurnya.
We want to be a good neighbor.
Waktunya kalian bersuara. Gimana menurut kalian? Apakah poin-poin yang disampaikan Pak Prabowo di Davos 2026 ini bakal benar-benar bikin Indonesia jadi negara maju di 2045? Atau kalian punya kritik dan saran? Tulis pendapat kalian di kolom komentar di bawah ya. Kita diskusi
A
sehat.
future full of hope. Hope grounded in credibility, execution of sound public policy, and continuous record of growth with equity.
Suka sama konten kayak gini? Yuk dukung terus channel ini supaya makin berkembang. Suka sama video atau artikel ini kalau kamu bangga jadi anak bangsa. Share ke grup WhatsApp keluarga atau tongkrongan biar semua makin melek info. Subscribe dan nyalakan loncengnya supaya kamu nggak ketinggalan update berita paling panas dan analisis paling tajam soal masa depan Indonesia. Indonesia maju, Indonesia berjaya. Sampai jumpa di konten berikutnya. Wow!
Peace and stability is a long and arduous program. But if you want to take something from my talk today, maybe it should be this. Indonesia chooses peace over chaos. We want to be a friend to all, an enemy to none. 1,000 friends too few for us. One enemy too many. We want to be a good neighbor, a good, responsible citizen of the world, protecting the environment, protecting nature. We must not destroy nature. We must live with nature. We must maintain and be a part of a future full of hope. Hope grounded in credibility, execution of sound public policy, and continuous record of growth with equity. Let us build the world we want to live in together. Let us continue the journey to improve the quality of life for all, to live in peace, freedom, friendship, tolerance, coexistence, and cooperation for all races, all ethnicity, all religions. Let us continue our pursuit of justice for all, security and freedom for all. I look forward to seeing many of you here in this room, in Indonesia, because in Bali this June, we will host the first Ocean Impact Summit, together with the World Economic Forum, which Indonesia is sponsoring, together with the important participation of Mr. Ray Dalio and his research vessel, Ocean X. There is a SpaceX, I think, from Mr. Elon Musk, but I think Mr. Ray Dalio is one of the pioneers in ocean research. And Indonesia, being 3/4 sea, we are very concerned about the future of our ocean. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your attention. May you go in peace with the blessing of the Almighty God. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, salve, Om Shanti, Shanti Om. May peace be upon us all. Thank you.